In this video, we are going to discuss about ordinary differential equations. Looking into the definition, a differential equation is a mathematical equation for an unknown function of one or more variables that relates the values of the function itself to its derivatives of various orders. An ordinary differential equation, which is written as ODE, ordinary differential equation, is a differential equation which contain one or more functions of an independent variable and the derivatives of those independent variables. The term ordinary is used since we have another type of differential equations, partial differential equations PDE, which contains more than one independent variable. Okay. Then we represent a linear nth order differential equation in the form an of x d raised to n y by dx raised to n plus an minus 1 of x dn minus 1 y by dx raised to n minus 1 plus etc. up to a1x into dy by dx plus a naught x into y equal to 0, where an minus 1, etc., a1, a0 are constants or functions of x. And this equation is said to be a homogeneous differential equation, where if the right hand side of the equation is a function of x, say g of x, which is not equal to 0, then the equation is a non-homogeneous differential equation. Then looking into the applications of differential equation, it plays a prominent role in engineering, physics, economics and all other disciplines. Differential equations are very important in the mathematical modeling of physical systems. Many fundamental laws of physics and chemistry can be formulated as differential equations. In biology and economics, differential equations are used to model the behavior of complex systems. They are extremely helpful to solve complex mathematical problems in almost every domain of engineering, science and mathematics. Next, a first order differential equation is an equation involving the unknown function y and its derivative y dash and a variable x. So, the most general form of a first order differential equation is dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, or y dash equal to f of x comma y. For example, dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3 is a first order differential equation. Now, order of a differential equation. Differential equations are classified on the basis of their order. It is defined as the highest derivative present in the equation. It is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation. The degree of a differential equation. The degree of a differential equation is the power of the highest derivative after the equation has been made rational and integral in all of its derivatives. It is the highest power of the highest derivative which occurs in the differential equation. Then we look into some examples. We have dy by dx equal to 5x plus 6. Here we have the derivative dy by dx. So, the only derivative existing is dy by dx. So, the order of the differential equation is 1. And the power of dy by dx is 1. So, degree is also equal to 1. Then looking into the second equation, d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus 9 equal to 0. Here we have two derivatives. First derivative dy by dx and second derivative d square y by dx square. So the highest derivative occurring is second order derivative d square y by dx square. So the order of the differential equation is 2. And the power of the highest order d square y by dx square is 1. So the degree of the differential equation is 1. Then looking into the third one, d cube y by dx cube equal to 78x e raised to 8. Here the derivative is d cube y by dx cube. So the order is 3. and the power of the third order derivative is 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. Next equation is dy by dx whole square equal to 5x plus 6. The derivative existing is dy by dx. So the order of the differential equation is 1. But dy by dx whole square exists. The power of the derivative is 2. So the degree is 2. So the differential equation is with order 1 and degree 2. Next is d square y by dx square whole raised to 7 minus dy by dx whole raised to 20 plus 9 equal to 0. The highest derivative occurring is d square y by dx square. So the order of the differential equation is 2. Then what is the power of the highest order? D square y by dx square whole raised to 7. So the degree of the differential equation is 7. Next, d cube y by dx cube whole square equal to 78x e raised to x. So the derivative existing is d cube y by dx cube. So what is the order? Order is 3. Then the power of the derivative is 2. D cube y by dx cube whole raised to 2. So the degree of the differential equation is 2. Another example, the differential equation is dy by dx minus cos x equal to 0. That is y dash minus cos x equal to 0. So the derivative existing is dy by dx. So the highest order is 1. First derivative 1. Order is 1. And what about the degree? The power of dy by dx. It is 1. So the differential equation has order 1 and degree also 1. Next example, xy into d square by dx square plus x into dy by dx whole square minus y into dy by dx equal to 0. So the highest derivative occurring is d square y by dx square. So the order of the differential equation is 2. Then what about the degree? The highest derivative's power, d square y by dx square here whole raised to 1. So the degree of the differential equation is 1. Thank you.